Welcome to Hyper Profit. I'm Andrew Edwards, and while none of this is financial advice, I want to talk about a few stocks that I picked up today on the dip, and in particular, a few that I bought over 1,000 shares of, including one I bought 5,000 shares of, just in case you like what you see in these companies and want to do the same. First, let's get into my portfolio review and see how I am doing. Here we can see for the day, including after hours, I am up about just over 0.5%. For the week, I am up 2.81%. For the month, I am down 12.93%. For the past 3 months, up 4.25%. For the past year, up 15.42%, and all time also up 15.42%. I did also get into Roblox today, ticker symbol RBLX. That was the big IPO of the day, and I bought 100 shares at $64.50 per share, costing $6,450. At close, it's at $70 per share, giving me a return of about 8.53%, which is not bad at all for just half of a day. Now, after the crazy past 2 weeks, seeing tech and high growth stocks experience a pullback, it's good to see things coming back. I ended the day up over 8% yesterday, which was huge. And again, today I'm up about another 0.5% or so. Now, I want to go over some of the stocks that I went in on today, particularly the ones that I bought over 1,000 shares in. Before we jump in, hit me in the comments below and let me know if you signed up for Webull so that you too can get an extra 8.5 hours of trading time per day with the rest of us here on the channel, since it gives you access to the pre-market and aftermarket. If you haven't, I've got a link down in the description below for you. That's where I'll be spending my time over the next couple of hours buying additional shares in the aftermarket. First stock on the list is one of my favorite penny stocks. I'm talking about Castor Maritime, ticker symbol CTRM. I talked about this one in my last video where I named 6 of my favorite penny stocks. If you didn't see that one, I will leave a link in the description for you. Now, today I bought 5,765 shares at 87 cents per share each, costing about $5,000, and it's already up to 98 cents, giving me a $652 gain. I am very high on this company. A month ago, before the recent market pullback, it hit $1.73 per share, and I expect it to rise way past that. This is a global shipping company that specializes in ownership of dry bulk vessels, or in other words, ships. They owned 6 vessels, but recently doubled their fleet size, which could mean a doubling of their business. All right, before we get to the next stock, do me a favor and hit that like button if you want to see more videos like this, and don't forget to subscribe so you can stay up to date on all future videos. Next stock on the list is CymaBay Therapeutics, ticker symbol CBAY. I bought 1,600 shares of this one at a cost of $4.70 per share, costing about $7,500, and it's up to $4.99 per share, giving me a return so far of $464, or just over 5%. CymaBay Therapeutics is another long-term hold for me. They're a biotech company focused on developing therapies and treatments for patients with liver diseases, and they also focus on other chronic diseases that currently have high unmet attention. Okay, next stock on the list that I bought over 1,000 shares of is gonna be Moleculin Biotech, ticker symbol MBRX. As you can see, I bought 1,443 shares at $3.92 per share, costing about $5,650, and it's currently up to $4 per share, giving me a small return of about 2% and a gain of about 116 bucks. This is another biotech play, but Moleculin Biotech is focused on the development of oncology drug candidates, and they have a product called Annamycin that helps in the treatment of relapsed or refractory acute myeloid leukemia. Now, if you want an honorable mention, another stock that I bought today is Arrow, ticker symbol AYRO. I bought 775 shares, so under 1,000 shares on this one. It cost me $6.35 per share, or $4,900, and has since gone up to $6.37 per share, giving me a small return of about $15. Now, if you want a dedicated deep dive video on any of the stocks that I just mentioned, let me know in the comments below, and I'll make it happen. But overall, this is about buying the dip to either establish a position in a stock that I've wanted to buy or to buy additional shares in stocks I already own but wanted to bring down my average cost in. I focused this video on stocks that I bought a large number of shares in, but I did also pick up 25 shares of Tesla, 100 shares of NIO, and 250 shares of Palantir, among others. Again, these are all stocks that I wanted to buy in the dip. So don't be scared when you see stocks going down. That just means to me that they're on sale. Now I'm considering starting a Discord group where we can all talk about this stuff during the trading day. If that sounds interesting to you, let me know in the comments below. I'm kind of gauging to see where people are on that. Thanks a lot for watching as always, guys. I appreciate your support. I'm Andrew Edwards, and I will catch you on the next episode of Hyper Profit.